Hello everyone, welcome. In this lesson, we are going to be looking at role level security. So there are two types of role level security in Power BI. There is dynamic role level security and static role level security. In this lesson, we'll be looking at static role level security. So role level security is limiting the report to a particular role. So it might be by a segment so that a particular segment manager can view that report, or it may be by a particular location so that a regional manager or a sales manager can view that particular report. Now we are going to set up role level security by segment so that a segment manager will be able to view only what is related to his segment, the report related to his or her segment. So let's start. So to do that, we'll go to modeling. We'll click on modeling, then manage roles. Then we click on create. So we are going to create 4 rows for 4 different kind of segments. So for the bronze segment, type in bronze in here, SEG, bronze segment. We'll come to our customer table, which is our dimension table. Then we'll go to segmentation and we'll type in bronze here. So this, what you type in here must appear exactly in the form that it is on this column on the customer data set. So we are going to create again. So this, we call this silver. So for silver, we go to add filter, segmentation, this equal to silver. So we'll do the same for gold, SEG. Do the same for gold. So segmentation equal to gold. And the last one, which is platinum. Platinum. So segmentation platinum. So these are the 4 segmentations. Then we save. So the role is created now. So what we will do if you want to view if this role is working, if it's effective, we'll go to view as, click on view as. So it brings all the roles in here. Then let's pick bronze as a use case and click OK. So this is limiting this report to bronze, as you can see here, now viewing as bronze segment. So we click on report. So everything we have here is limited to bronze segment. Let's confirm that by going to our transactions. Let's go to transactions. So we see that our segment here is just limited to bronze and nothing more. So let me also show you, let me tell you how this works. So on this, our data model, you see this customer table is connected to these 2 fact tables, loans and transactions. Now, this filter filters the customer table and it limits the data to customer, that customer segment, which is bronze. This further comes down here. Then this is connected to this by customer ID and this by customer ID and returns reports related to bronze alone, transaction amount, loan count, and everything related to bronze alone. Let's see the table for customer segment to just further solidify that. So this is customer segment we are viewing as bronze. So once we take a look at this filter, we can see that it's limited to bronze. But when we stop viewing by bronze, click on stop viewing by bronze, we see that the customer segment, everything returns. Bronze, gold, platinum, silver, everything returns. So really nice feature. So this now, we are going to share this report to everyone in our organization, and we are going to share it restricted by roles. So to share this report now, first of all, we come to home and publish to Power BI service. Click on publish, it prompts you to save, you save. So it brings out, we select the interactive workspace and where this our data resides, then publish to Power BI service. Okay, working on it. Okay, select the interactive workspace, select, then it tells us to replace. Then we replace that particular report. So while this is publishing, let's just go to the accounts. This is my own Power BI account. Okay, this is Aisha. So one of my project managers, and this is mine. This is my own account that I'm the one that developed the report, the contact account. So I come to that visualization. So this is the visual. So I'm replacing this visual now. So let me go to the report. So I can still view the report, I can view everything. So let me check if this is still publishing. Okay, it's still publishing. Before it finishes publishing, let's check Aisha's report. So tag 6 visualization. So the one I shared with Aisha initially, I can still view everything related to that report in here. So, but when I publish, when it finishes publishing, so this will just limit it to, the segment I set for this particular user. Okay, we can see, let's go to transactions to confirm. Okay, transactions. We can still view all the segments. So let's see if this has published. Okay, still publishing. So when this finished publishing, that report won't be able to view all segments in Aisha's user. So once we won't be able to view anything at all. Okay, it has finished publishing. We won't be able to view anything at all in Aisha's report. What we should see on her report now when we refresh, it should return some kind of error. Okay, this is the contact account. This is Aisha's account. So let's refresh now. So it should return some kind of error and it will show us that so this user cannot view this. There is some kind of security thing around it. You can see something where it was unable to load. So this won't show any report at all. So this is because we've now done a row level security on this report. So she can't view anything until we assign a role to Aisha. So let's go to the contact account and assign a role. So we'll now come back to our interactive workspace where we have the visualization. Then we go to taxes visualization. Then we go to the data set itself. So these 3 lines here. Then we click on security. So let's assign bronze to Aisha. Okay, so add her to the bronze. I can also add her to silver. Let me assign bronze and silver to her. Okay, sorry. So let me just assign bronze. So that is the idea. So 1 user. So I'll click on save. I'll click on save. So that assigns that role to Aisha once this saves. Okay, this is saved. So when I go back to Aisha's account, I refresh, I should be able to view reports for bronze segments. Nice. You can see, really nice feature. So Aisha now can just view for bronze and nothing more. So all our loan, this is limited to bronze customers. You can see that when we've not assigned that role, she cannot view anything. So that is how to assign roles to different users in your organization. She cannot view anything more than bronze. Now, let me also confirm to you how this works. She's also assigned to bronze now. Let's assign silver to her that she can view silver, and you will see the change that will happen there. Okay, no silver. Let me assign silver to Aisha again. Okay, add, save. I've also assigned silver to her. So she can view both silver and bronze right now. Let me go back there to her account. So we can see bronze here. Let me refresh. So when you refresh, you should be able to see bronze and silver right here. Segment, bronze and silver segment. So the static row level security is pretty useful when you have, you can see bronze and silver are now visible for Aisha. So assuming she's the product manager managing these two products, she can actually view these two products. So that is just a fantastic row level security to just limit your report to whoever you want to see. When we have multiple things like multiple dimensions like supervisors or like branches or like salespeople, that is when we implement dynamic row level security. In the next lesson, we will be implementing dynamic row level security. Thanks for watching this. See you in the next lesson.